Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand processes involved in new product development. As you understand, today's market is rapidly changing. Everywhere if you see the new products are coming in the market. So each and every company has to upgrade their portfolios and they have to come up with the new solutions, new product in the market so that they can stay in the competition and they can fulfill the requirement of customer and they can give a very competitive environment in the market. So there are several processes involved in this product development. So we will see that one by one. So basically new product development consists of market research, concept design, packaging and ergonomic study, concept modeling and mock-up, engineering and testing, and production with quality. So these say 6 steps you can consider as a main steps for any new product development. So we will see each and every step one by one. First stage is a market research. Market research is the tool which helps the businesses to define the product strategy and identifying the growth opportunities. Beyond market research, you need to understand your target consumer. What are their needs? What are they looking for? And how you can help to solve their problems. After this in market research, you have to understand your competitor also. Because if you understand your competitor and their product, then you can define your strategies to compete with your competitors. Second stage is a concept design or concept ideation. Basically, concept design is the bridge between what is in your head and what could be in the market. Because whatever idea is in your mind, you can draw on the paper as like shown in the images, so that you will get the idea how the product is going to look and you can explain to your colleagues and your team members. So in this concept ideation, the designer has to understand the project brief. What is the management is looking for? What is our target? And what are the competitors available in the market. Also, he has to understand what are the constraints and what is the criteria for our design. Means like which kind of manufacturing process we are looking for and at what price we have to sell in the market and in what time. Also, he has to study the packaging and ergonomics of particular product so that his design can be a perfect one for their all the components which are going to come in that product. Third stage is a concept modeling and mockup. Once your sketches are ready, you convert it into the 3D model, because 3D model can give you an idea of your complete product. Once that complete 3D model is ready, you can go for your mock-up or prototype by the conventional methods or 3D printing or clay modeling, so that you can understand your product thoroughly. And once you study this mock-up, you can refine your sketches, your 3D model before going towards the engineering or any finalization. Fourth stage is engineering and testing. Once you done with your mock-up and prototyping, you move towards the engineering part, where you have to define the material for that particular product and you have to do some calculation if there any calculation is required for like force calculation or any section you have to define. So like that you have to do it in this engineering section. After this, you can go for the engineering 3D model, where you used to do a detailing as per your required processes like injection molding, stamping, die casting, any kind of process. If you are going to do according that, you have to do the detailing. Once your 3D model is ready with the detailing, you have to go with the analysis, because if you are doing the analysis, you can optimize your product and you can save your cost very drastically. Because if you do the optimization of your product, you can reduce the material wherever it is possible. And once this all the stages you go through, you have to do again, you have to do the prototype, and you have to test it, and you have to take the certificates for that. Fifth stage is a production and quality check. Once you are ready with your engineering, you have to start a tool making and production of the components or parts. Once all the components and parts at your place, you can start a final assembly for your product. And before going into the market, you have to do a quality check of your product so that there should not be any problem in your product. And once you go through all these stages, you can launch your product in the market, which can resolve your customer's problem. So these are the stages for any kind of product development, which we have seen in this video. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please do like and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get a notification once I upload my another video. Thank you.